I've been involved with the robotics team for 17 years. I've always been competitive my entire life. I played sports growing up, and as I got older, I couldn't keep up and run and play around with sports as I once did, but it gives me a chance to kind of fuel that competitive aspect that I like, and also involve teaching and teaching kids about technology and engineering. So it kind of combined a lot of things I love.
I got involved in FIRST Robotics 8 years ago. The team, Albany High School, had done an event at National Grid, and they came to us and they were looking for a couple of engineering mentors. And myself and another employee got involved at that time, Brett Morey. And we did this for a couple of years, and I just got hooked right from the start. I just got really involved in it. I really liked working with the kids. And so I've been doing it for 8 years now.
I got involved in robotics because I had a bunch of friends who had positive experiences doing FIRST Robotics, so then I wanted to join the club, and I just loved it from there, so I continued along with it.
They learn, programming, mechanical, stuff, how to use tools. A lot of these kids don't know how to use tools, when they come to us as freshmen. But kind of the bigger things that they probably learn is just how to work as a team, how to work in a group with other people, how to collaborate.
I think my favorite part is just the atmosphere of just working with a bunch of other people, solving problems, and yeah.
Yeah, I would have to say the same as well, like working with other people, a group of people with different interests, but it all leads to the same goal.
I do a little bit of everything. I'm in the mechanical group, which means I work with like the actual hardware as opposed to wiring and coding, but specifically I actually work with most of the chains. And me and my friend Jenna make most of the chains for the robot just because we've been doing it for a while.
So this year they got it's almost like a small beach ball sized tennis ball. And the gist of it is they have to pick up the ball off the ground, and they have to shoot it in a low goal and a high goal for points. And then at the end of the match, they have to hang from a bar.
I hope that they learn that they can compete with anyone. A lot of times they hear they might not be the best, or they're not good enough, or their school might not be the best. But it gives them a chance to go and be on par and even be better than some of the top schools in the area, and to have fun and be part of a team where they might not play a sport because they might not have been as physically gifted. Mentally, they could be far above many other students.
Being a woman in STEM, it's great to inspire other girls to join into robotics and show them that they can do stuff like this too.
I've been on the team since freshman year, so it's my third year here, and I definitely love how diverse our team has become. Our school is extremely diverse. White is a minority here, and I love to see that how robotics is starting to show the demographic that is our school.
It's been a while since mine, so definitely the cheering. I think there's a very nice energy at all of the competitions, and I'm looking forward to seeing that again.
I hope we compete well, make it pretty far into the event. Whether we win or lose doesn't really matter. I hope they're just kind of proud of what they did. I know it sounds like a cheesy answer, but it's really nice at the end of the event and they look back and see all their hard work and how far they've come.